So let's start with a recap. When most people talk about being whole, we find it is usually associated with being with another person. When you find your significant other, you feel whole. If something goes wrong with your relationship, you feel like only part of a person. However, that isn't really what makes a person whole. It can be a part of it. But what makes someone whole is what's inside of them. Being whole means believing in yourself and being your true self. We've also discussed that intuition is key to being whole, as you learn to listen to your instinct and your body to identify any issues. But how do we start with being whole? Instead of looking for something from others to make us whole, we have to first focus on ourselves. Well, how do we do that? We must first better our intuition. To do this, we must increase our awareness of our bodies and our thoughts. Learning to listen to yourself is the key to increasing your intuition.